Today we're going to bring an outdoor light, a very beautiful outdoor decorative light, and it's all included with a motion sensor. Now this motion sensor has also night to date mode, 20 seconds of motion detection. It'll turn on, then turn off. Besides that, real glass and no light bulb included. You will have to include your own light bulb, of course. And on top of it, if you guys notice this box in the back, this is actually a power connection with two different power sources right here. So not only are you going to get the decorated light, it looks really beautiful. You get the motion sensor, you get the actual plugs in here, and you could plug things for outdoor. So say you're having a party, you need extra additional lights, you could plug them in here, or tools if you're going to be working from outside. Pretty much all you got to do is make sure you have the right voltage and the right mounting equipment too. They also give you included the screws and the rest of the stuff that you're going to require to mount this on the wall too. Just be sure that if you're going to do drywall or you're going to do actually wood or any kind of surfaces, you have the right materials for that part. On top of that, they give you instructions how to do this, step-by-step instructions. This decorated light looks gothic. It looks antique. All right, so this thing is a little heavy. It has its weight because of the power adapter in the back. So in back of it, if you guys see it, you get the neutral, the hot, and also the ground all included in there. And also, if you don't need the power for the back, you don't have to connect that area, or you can replace it too. So easy to remove. They give you instructions in there, a couple screws here to remove, and everything's included, including the actual screws here, different mount screws. And then of course, like I said, you have two different types of connections. You have the light, the sensor, and also an outlet for outdoors. And this is outdoor graded, so if you're ready to use it for outdoors and it can connect extra adapters, extra things to this power, comes in handy for outdoors. And if you walk away, you stand away, it goes slow motion to light. Oh yeah. Ready? Yep. I'm just gonna put my hands in the light just so it can turn on right now, and it goes strong. There's a reset button here, but you can put your light, beautiful lighting. All right, so we just turned it off right now, but if you like walk in front of it, it turns on of it completely, and it dims down, and then it gets higher. So very simple to use, and it's very bright. If you're gonna put this outdoors on your building, on your house, this is a perfect lighting, especially with this fixture that you have in here for extra power. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.